Hey friends, today's fast, easy dinner is Hawaiian chicken bake. So I took some chicken thighs, I cleaned them up and cut them in halves, and then I covered each half with a piece of decoratively arranged pineapple rings. Then I took some of that pineapple juice and some vinegar and some honey and some curry and some hot sauce. I'll put the combination in the notes. Then I'm just gonna put the hot sauce on there, cook it down a little, reduce it, put that sauce over that, sprinkle it with almonds, bake it, and serve that over rice. It's fast, delicious, and kind of unusual. Okay, be right back. All right, this looks totally like 70s food to me. That is that pineapple chicken covered with almonds, toasted almonds. I'm just gonna throw it in the oven and bake it up. Alrighty, there's the finished product, everybody. The almonds toast up really nicely and that pineapple smells like a vacation. Served over white rice, that chicken is just moist and delicious. Have a great week, everybody.